Hi, welcome to clickmeproject.com. Now let me discuss about the title of our process. Our title is Performing Initiative Data Fetching in Distributed File Systems for Cloud Computing. So the main objective of the paper is automatically fetching the data by using logical and physical access of the data. So now let me discuss about the distributed file system in cloud computing. Distributed file system for cloud is a file system that allows many clients to have access to the same data or file, providing important operations. Each file may be partitioned into several particles called chunks. Each chunk is stored in remote machines. Typically, the data is stored in the files in a hierarchical data. So, by using that logical and physical information, here we retrieve that data and fetch data from the stored locations. This is the main objective of our process. Now let me discuss about the abstract of our process. In the existing system, the system applications come with increasing challenges on how to transfer and where to transfer and compute data. The most prevalent distributed file systems to deal with these challenges is the Hadoop file system, that is called HDFS, which is a variant of the Google file system. However, HDFS has two potential problems. An initiative data-free fetching scheme is proposed on the storage servers in distributed file systems for cloud computing in this project. After analyzing the history of disk input-output access events, the storage servers can correctly free fetch the data and then send the free fetch data to the relevant client machines proactively. It depends on in the existing system. The system applications come with increasing challenges how to transfer and where to store and compute the data. So it depends on a single name node to manage almost all operations of every data block in the file system. As a result, it can be a bottleneck resource and a single point of failure. It depends on the TCP to transfer data, as has been cited in that many studies. The TCP takes many rounds before it can send at the full capacity of links in the cloud. This results in low link utilization and long download times. The proposed system presents an initiative data fetching scheme on the storage servers in distributed file systems for cloud computing. The main target of the proposed system is the chaotic time series predictions, linear regression predictions to forecast disk input-output access and initiate data fetching on storage servers. The proposed system intends to propose a novel free fetching scheme for distributed file systems and cloud computing environments to yield better input-output performance. This initiative free fetching scheme can be applied in the distributed file system for a mobile cloud computing environment in which there are many tablet computers and smart terminals. So this is a full abstract of our process. Now let me discuss about the data flow diagram of our process. First, in our process, the main objective is to fetch the data. So first, our process is a client file system. That is here we denoted as a CFS client file system, that is called party. So after that we fetch the file typing. We have to split into chunks for that particular file. Then after that file chunks will be stored in the server that is called party metas data server. So the data will be stored into that particular server. After that in our process we have a data access validation method. So here we have two types of method, logical access and physical access. In the logical access, by using the disk ID, disk input output, by using the type of information we access information. Then by using that, here we are checking that process is a linear regression or not, like that. By using that, here we are going to pre-fetch the data from the cloud. By using that information, here we are evaluating the performance of existing and proposed system. This is a complete data flow diagram of our process. Now let me discuss about the demo of our process. So first you have to run home.java in NetBeans. Then click normal file system. Then click more next. Then you have to browse the file. So you can choose any text files in your file location. So I am going to choose dataset.text like that. So you can view that file contents here. Then you have to split the files because we are doing distributed file system process. So here you can get file information for that particular selected file. Then after that you have to split that file into chunks. So just enter that name, particular name for us, then split into chunk. And then we have to send the data, store the data into the DFS location. So there's data stored in dfs.java. Then you can choose your selected file, that is called AS Before that you have to collect the files from your system. So just collect from client system, then store metadata to TFS. Then here you have to choose your file. Then store in DFS, you can choose any other node and click store. Then data free fetching. So after that you have to run access.java. Just enter the file name, then request a size, request a time, and choose the mode, update, then choose the mode and requested size update, then send to server. So before that you click receive, then send to server. All informations will be received here. Logical informations are file name, request size, request time, and then input output mode. Then physical access informations are chosen data node ID and requested size. Here we have to access linear regressions. It's a linear sequence. Here we are calculating the linear regression prediction algorithm. Calculate by using these formulas, flow formulas, and t-serving, and then address new. Here we have to calculate the linear regression prediction algorithm. Then after that you have to store in proxy. It is stored in proxy. Then after that you click data free fetching, then click free fetch button. File has been received here, requested file has been received here, then time taken. Then by using that, here we are calculating the throughput, and then time and throughput for that particular existing proposal system, access time and throughput for that particular system for our data free fetching process. This is a complete demo of our process. Thank you for watching.